Hi, my name is Goldman, and I'm an attorney from Goldman and Associates. And today I'd like to talk to you not so much about the specifics in the law, but I want to deviate a little from that. And I want to answer your question, which is, why should I hire you? A lot of the public wants to know there's a million lawyers out there. You can get good advice from a lot of qualified people. Why should you hire Goldman and Associates? I'll tell you why. I can give you 4 good reasons why. The first reason has to do with experience. You know, there is nothing that substitutes for knowing what lies ahead. That's the voice of experience. The thing that we bring to the table that a lot of law firms don't bring is we've been involved in the practice of family law for over 30 years. The attorneys at this firm, myself included, have a vast amount of experience in dealing with literally every single issue that's going to come up. Now, your issue, of course, that's specific as to you. Nobody's like your kids, nobody's like your wife, nobody's like your husband. That's always very specific. However, if you've done this once, twice, 10 times, 20 times, that's a much, much different level of experience than for a firm that's done it 1,000 times. The fact of the matter is, whatever scenario you are going to present to us, we have likely handled it before and had the experience to know how to guide you along the way in that. And that is very valuable. No amount of money can purchase that experience. So it's something that we give, and it's a benefit that our clients get when they hire us. Because of that experience, we've learned a lot, not just about dealing with lawyers, judges, cases. We've learned a tremendous amount of how to deal with clients. I'll tell you what we've learned about. We've learned how important it is to keep our clients in the loop. That's something you also learn from experience. We keep our clients in the loop in different kinds of ways. Of course, communication between lawyer and client is at the very crux of the attorney-client relationship. Of course, we provide that. But in addition to which, when we send out correspondence to the court or to the other attorney, the client gets a copy. We file a motion, the client gets a copy. The client is always in the loop on all the things, all the product that we are generating on behalf of the client. In addition to that, our billings go out not monthly. Our billings go out every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks, our clients get a statement, line by line, showing exactly what's been done in their case. Even if they don't owe any money, even if they're in credit status because they just hired us, they're still going to get a statement which shows exactly, line by line, what was done, who did it, what date, how long it took. And that, there's no better way to keep a client in the loop. And you can look at it historically also, because we give clients access to what we call the client portal. The client portal allows you to look at your invoice, allows you to look at your last invoice, the one before that, and so on and so forth. So you can really get a whole history of exactly what has gone on in your case just by typing on your computer. So that is a very, very valuable thing. Another thing that we bring to the table, which is, I guess, what I call reason number 3 to hire us, is because our firm has created and authored a vast amount of material on all sorts of subjects. And we provide clients even before they begin the representation. We have the ability to provide clients with ebooks that we have written on all the subjects that may come up in your case, be it custody, child support, property settlement, debt resolution, all these things. So not only do we give you the benefit of our representation, we give you material that we have put together which is interesting and informative for you. It makes you a more informed client, and ultimately that makes for better representation. Lastly, all of those things culminate in one major factor. One major factor why you should consider hiring us as opposed to hiring somebody else. And that is, if you look at our reviews, we have a 4.8 out of 5 stars. Now, you may say, well, there's other firms with 4.8. Yeah, but it's not a question of the stars so much as how many people have reviewed us to get us there. It's very easy to maintain a 4.8 if you've got 10 people reviewing you. But we have over 200 reviews. Go figure out how to maintain a 4.8 when hundreds of people are reviewing you, and nonetheless you're maintaining that standard in the eyes of so many people. The reason why we have such high reviews for so many people is because we bring all the experience, we keep people in the loop, we've written the book on these things, and we provide it to our clients. The experience that you get at Goldman and Associates is really far above the rest. And that's why we enjoy such favorable reviews. And that power the energy that the firm provides and the product that we give on behalf of all those other clients, we're going to do the same thing for you. We're going to bring the same quality and the same level of representation to you that we did in all those people who gave us all those favorable responses. And at the end of it all, even though it'll be difficult and unpleasant, because it's unpleasant to deal with lawyers and judges and courtrooms, when it's all over, you know what's going to happen? You're going to sit down and write us that 5-star review also, because you're going to realize that the product you got, though difficult to actually obtain the result, was worth it. And at the end of the day, you got great representation, and that's our commitment. And those are the reasons, amongst many, why you should hire Goldman & Associates to represent you. Obviously, if you have any questions about this or really about anything else, give us a call and we'll be glad to help you out.